Coming off her high at Reggae Sumfest over the weekend, Coffee is in an even more celebratory mode as the Grammy-winning artist has once again secured a spot on former U.S. President Barack Obama's summer playlist, which he revealed earlier this week. Coffee lands at number 20 with her 2022 release, Pull Up. The song has gained popularity in the U.S. Coffee joins the likes of Beyoncé with her recent release, Break My Soul, Kendrick Lamar's Die Hard, Harry Styles' Music for a Sushi Restaurant, and some classics from Prince, Al Green, and Aretha Franklin, along with Nigerian superstars Burna Boy with Lost, and Thames with Vibe Out. Pull Up is from her debut album Gifted, which is the sixth time Coffee has been featured on President Obama's summer playlist. Was Beyoncé's album leaked? Well, the hive is buzzing since last night as rumors surfaced about reported leaks and early sales of Renaissance. According to Variety, high-quality FLAC files that certainly sound like the album were available on the internet 2 days before the new project is scheduled to drop. Screenshots of FLAC files appearing to be from the album were also making the rounds on social media, as well as tweets from people who shared photos and wrote that they had found the album on sale early in Europe. CNN, however, has reported that it cannot confirm a leak, and many U.S. media houses were all unable to get a comment from Beyoncé or Columbia Records. Renaissance, the 16-track album said to be heavily influenced by dance music, is set to feature appearances by Jamaican rapper Beams, Nigerian singer Thames, pop icon Grace Jones. The album is set for release this Friday. I'm Adrian Gordon reporting for E! Prime.